appointed Monique Worrell to serve as the Orange Osceola state attorney. The governor suspended her last August, saying she was too soft on crime. Following her removal, Andrew Bain, a former DeSantis-appointed judge, was appointed to her role. Channel 9's Sabrina Majore is in studio with us, and Sabrina, Worrell says she feels vindicated.
Martha, the election results made clear Orange County especially is a pocket of blue in an increasingly red state. Worrell finishing with 57% of the vote compared to Bain's 43%. Less than 18 months after she was ousted by Governor Ron DeSantis, a resounding victory by Monique Worrell in the Orange Osceola state attorney's race is sending a message to Tallahassee.
I want to thank the voters for standing with me and saying, we don't believe you, Ron DeSantis. We don't believe you.
Worrell beating out Andrew Bain with 57% of the vote after running a campaign focused on solution-based justice. Now, for the second time in just 18 months, nearly 200 prosecutors will see a leadership change.
If I'm a chief of police or the sheriff, I have no idea what to expect now, because it's just this pendulum of back and forth and back and forth.
Former prosecutor Ryan Vescio openly supported Andrew Bain, but says he believes there could be a mass exodus as prosecutors recruited under Bain could choose to go elsewhere.
Most of the prosecutors don't care about the politics, but the reality of it is the politics drives how the biggest cases are handled.
Meanwhile, political science professor John Hanley says with the Republican state Senate that would likely back DeSantis, a second suspension for Worrell is not out of the question.
We've seen Governor DeSantis is not shy about using this removal power.
And Hanley says if the governor does act once again to remove Monique Worrell, he would need to have a justification for that. We did reach out to the governor to see if he will use and try and go ahead and use that removal power. We have not heard back. In the meantime, we should note Andrew Bain did congratulate Monique Worrell and said in a statement he looks forward to serving out the remainder of his term. Greg?